This is assignment 4, prompting a user for their favorite song verse, line by line. We're going to cover the code first real quick, and then we'll run it. So we have verse placeholder, line placeholder, counter starting at 1, an extra that I threw in here, song name, prompting the user input for the name of the song, and then putting it in uppercase just because I think it looks a little nicer, makes it stand out. Then we go into the while loop. Line, input again, enter a line from your song verse, or type done when done so they know how to exit. And we go if line equals done, and then they're going to break out of it. Else, we have verse going back to itself, new line, printing out line, and then the counter as a string, and adding on the line that they put in, and then the counter incrementing at the end. And the output, if they do break, is print the song name that we entered up there, and then going into the verse. So let's run it. And we're going to go with enter Sandman. We're just going to do a couple lines here. And then I want to be done. And now we have enter Sandman, line 1, line 2, line 3, the user input, and we broke out of it.